Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change currency on your Bitcoin.com wallet app. To change currency on Bitcoin.com, first of all, open up your application from the home screen. Right after you open up the app, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the settings menu, tap on App Preferences. Under App Preferences, select Currencies. From the list of currencies, tap on Alternative Currency Fiat at the top. Now you will be able to open up the list of currencies you can choose from. Choose any one currency that you want to change to for your wallet, and you will be able to change your currency right away. So that is how you do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.